Alright, so I installed the NGM Intake. Uh, Install was actually pretty easy. The only thing that I'm not liking is fitment could be a little better. I ended up having to breaking this radiator hose loose right here and twisting it just to get it out of the way and keep it from touching here. The reason I had to do that is because in order to get this hose to fit correctly, I needed to be able to twist the this intake that way. I couldn't twist it because the radiator hose was on the way. And it still looks like this hose could use a better fitment there. I mean, it's a pretty easy fix. You could probably cut it, but I mean, it's a brand new car. I don't want to be cutting OEM stuff. And now keep in mind that's only on the driver's side. On the passenger side, it fit like a glove. Everything worked out perfect. Everything fit the way it was advertised. Another thing that I wasn't too thrilled with, but it worked all right, I guess. The the filter itself is like way, the mouth itself is way bigger than the intake pipe itself. So you really have to close it a lot with the clamp. It's not gonna affect anything. It should work just fine. But I would have used either a bigger pipe or a smaller filter. At any rate, it runs just fine. I'll tag a video with it of how it sounds. Everything worked the way it was supposed to be. Little trick for the people that were having trouble getting the OEM intake out of there. This lines right here, along this hose when it was at the bottom, all you gotta do is break it loose from the turbo inlets and just twist it. You know what I mean? Like take it up, just pull it off the inlet, and then once you twist it, you're able to reach those clamps without any issues. And that way, you don't have you're not in there cutting yourself or trying to work out a miracle just to get this stupid thing out of there. Um, so just remember, break it loose at the inlet. We'll take the box out first. Break it loose at the turbo inlet, twist it, and it'll be out of the way.